Welcome to another important session. This is a lecture number 14 in the mapping and the IAS series for the UPSC. Till now I have uploaded 13 lectures on the IR and mapping, in which I have covered various regions around the world. So if you are interested, do watch them. I have created a separate playlist for it. It will add a lot of value to your UPSC preparation. So in this video I will cover what is Clarion Clipperton zone, Peru Basin and CIOB, and what are these regions deal with, right? So before starting this video, I would like you to answer this question in the comment section, right? So do let me know your answers. So question is, which of the following is not a rare earth element? Scandium, neodymium, lithium and yttrium. Do let me know your answer in the comment section. Answer to this question will be discussed later in the video in the last slide, so stay tuned and do watch this video till the end, right? So first is Clarion Clipperton zone. So this is a ocean basin area or region located in the Pacific Ocean. So location of this area is in between Hawaii and Mexico, right? And this is a long geological submarine fracture zone that runs between the Hawaii and the Mexico, and this region is very rich in the polymetallic noodle. So polymetallic noodle, as we know, a source of critical minerals and rare earth, right, which are essential for our energy security and transition towards the clean energy. Hence various powers around the world and various companies around the world are in line for the exploration rights in the zone, and this is one of the world's richest PMN mineral zone, right? So remember this zone is very important, and various countries around the world are seeking rights of explorations in this region. So this is around 1.7 million square mile abyssal plain that stretches from the Mexico to Hawaii, which is made up of 9 subregions that differs in biology, depth and productivity, right? And it is formed due to the plate tectonic activities. These fractures, Clarion fractures, are formed due to plate tectonic activities. Now these you might know that the right for the exploration are issued by the International Seabed Authority, which is under the United Nations, right? And this authority has divided this region into 16 mining claims. Each mining region covers around 1,60,000 square kilometer of the region. So according to International Seabed Authority, this region is very rich in around 27 billion tons of nickel, 0.5 billion tons of cobalt and 0.23 billion tons of copper. Such a rich mineral zone this is, right? So this region is not just only mineral rich, this region also rich in biodiversity, which has around more than 30 new species were discovered in this region while the exploration activities were carried out, right? So this is a Clarion Clipperton zone. These are Aleutian mountains. Remember, these are volcanic mountain series formed due to the subduction of Pacific plate under the North American plate. This is a Mariana Arc and this is a Mariana Trench nearby, which is world's deepest point, right? So remember, these are the geographical features in this area. Now, what are the environmental concerns? We know that 21st major theme in the 21st century is a environmental concern, and we want to transition to net zero carbon economy by 2050. So we want to achieve net zero carbon economy by 2050. To achieve this, we want critical minerals, we want rare earth minerals which are critical for the transitioning to the clean energy, right? But there are environmental concerns that in order to mine these minerals from the seabed, it has created a concern among environmental scientists that it will destroy or it will damage the sea life or marine life in this zone. Such as, for example, scientists found that this zone has a diversity of xenophytophores, which are foraminifera. So these species are called as foraminifera. These are single-celled protistas. And these are sometimes a critical ketone species. So while the mineral exploration activities are taken out, there is a threat to the survival of the species, which might damage the entire ecosystem in this region, right? And this region also hosts coral, sea cucumbers, octopus, and many other species. So there are environmental concerns regarding this. So people think that at the cost of environment, we are destroying another environment. Now, other important polymetallic noodle basin in the world are Central Indian Ocean Basin, right? So Central Indian Ocean Basin, in this basin India has got right for the exploration for the 15 years, and we got right in 2002 by the International Seabed Authority. For that purpose, India is for that purpose. So this is the region where India has got right for the seabed mineral exploration, and for that purpose India is developing technologies such as Samudrayan, and this technology is being developed by the National Institute of Ocean Technology, and this Samudrayan will carry our India's first manned ocean mission in the near future, right? So this whole operation is carried under the Ministry of Earth Science. So remember these details about the India's India's PMN exploration adventures. Now another important basin which are rich in these polymetallic noodles is the Peru Basin, which is off the coast of Peru, and this is located in the Southeast Pacific Ocean. The Peru Basin has areas with polymetallic noodles, and there are certain environmental concerns, but compared to other regions, this region is other regions are much rich than Peru Basin. So these three important issues that I wanted to discuss with you. So answered right. So in the end, the answer to the question that we raised initially was that lithium is not a rare earth mineral, but lithium is called as a critical mineral. So there are 15 lanthanides plus 2 scandium and yttrium. These are the rare earth minerals, but cobalt, nickel, and lithium are not rare earth minerals. We know that Indian Kerala coast we find the monazite, which is important source of rare earth elements, right? Such as other important rare earth minerals. I don't know how to pronounce this. Xenotime, loparite. So these are the important sources of the rare earth minerals. So do read these slides. Do take the screen capture of the slides in order to make note, right? So this was all about today's video. Do watch the other videos that I have uploaded. I have covered many regions around the world that will add a lot of value to your preparation. Hope this video helps. Thank you.